Number 3, I've said it a couple times, but it's so important, it's got its own. I want you to stand out once you get that job. What do I mean? And I believe this is one of the most important things you can do to be successful and be happy, quite frankly. We have hundreds of lawyers and students come through our firm for the last 20 plus years. I've had some standouts and I've had some duds. You don't want to be a dud. You want to dress the part. I don't care if everybody in the firm is khakis and polos, show up in a sport coat. Show up early. Leave late. If you're getting grunt work, don't complain. I heard Tom Brady recently speak, and he said when he was a third-string quarterback at University of Michigan, he'd get 2 snaps at a practice, and the second string would get 10 snaps, and the first would get 20. And what did he do? He didn't complain. He made those the best 2 snaps of his life, and they noticed. And the next day, he got 4 snaps. And the next day, he got 6 snaps. And you know what happened with Tom Brady. He showed up and made everything he did amazing. And that's what you guys can do as young lawyers. And be grateful for that job. When people are grateful, you know it. You guys know what gratefulness looks like. You know if somebody wants to be there. You know if people are complaining. You know if people are gossiping. You know if people are cutting corners. If your law firm's having an event, show up. If you can volunteer for something, raise your hand. I have 220 employees. I sit in meetings and they say, you know, John Smith, blah, blah, blah. Who the heck is John Smith? Make sure that the people who matter know who you are, and that's doable. It takes courage, it takes bravery, but what do you have to lose? And not only